Imagine what if you get paid $200 just for an image that you designed in minutes. That will be awesome, right? So, how to get paid just for images? I will show you exactly how to do that, step by step in this video. So make sure you watch the video till the very end without skipping any part, so that you can make money in the efficient way. But, before we get started, this is how to get paid $200 just for images. And don't forget to subscribe to Finance Mate channel. Also turn on the notification bell, so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's come back to the video. $550 for this image, $621 for this one, and another $463 for this one. All you gotta do is just 3 steps. Step 1. Go to the first website where you can generate images for free. Step 2. Go to the second website where you can sell those images that you generated for free. And the final step is step 3. Get paid hundreds of dollars, which is very easy. You can do this for unlimited times, because you don't need a camera, you will not have to take any pictures yourself. And you don't need social media followers. So step number 1, head over to spark.adobe.com, it's a website that we have never used before. And people from all over the world are making hundreds of dollars using this website. So first of all, this is the website where you can get the work done in less than 10 minutes. This is not a website where you will be making money, but rather it is a platform where you can get those images done in less than 10 minutes. So first of all, let's start with how you can get those images done for absolutely free. This is a free online tool with hundreds of thousands of different templates, which will allow you to create professional-looking designs just by drag and drop, so you can simply come over to Adobe Spark, and you can read more about what type of designs you can get done with this tool. You can pick up a photo and apply design filters or animations instantly and create high-quality designs. They also have different features like creating web pages and short videos, but it isn't what we will be focusing on. We are only focusing on images that we can create in minutes to share instantly and then get paid with the second website that I'm about to share with you in a minute. And even if you don't have a laptop or computer, it's still okay. You can still do this with your phone, because the app is available for both Android and iOS devices, so even if you're laying in your bed and holding your phone, you can still do this. It's going to be simple, so come over to Adobe Spark and click on Get Started Now so you can create a free account, and you can either sign up with Google or Facebook or Apple account or with your Gmail. Once you create a brand new Adobe Spark account, you will be able to browse all of the different templates from this website. You can have all of the different graphic designs which you can create, which are pretty much 99% done for you, and you just need to change the text. In that way, it becomes your unique design from which you can make hundreds of dollars with a website, which I will share with you. So you can create Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, print presentations, slideshows, branded images, and even custom-sized graphics. All of these different templates are available. You can create flyers, ego covers, book covers, and so forth. So let's say, for example, I want to use the flyer design template. I'm just going to click on that, so that I can show you how easy it is. I just need to wait for them to load my design to load my template, so that I can fully customize it. I can change everything, and all you have to do is double-click on the text. Type in whatever you want to, let's say, for example, when I type in any name, click Done, and it will change this image now on the right-hand side. You can also customize colors. You can change the font, the size. You can customize everything. You can add different shapes, shadows, different animations. And here, on the left-hand side, you can select different templates in case you don't like this one, so maybe I would rather prefer this one. I click on Create from this template, and wait until it loads, and you can customize this one. So it's really easy and simple to use, because it's like 99% done for you. You just need to change the text and save it to your computer. Once you're done designing, you can either click the download button right here, and that's instantly going to download this image to your computer. It's going to download the high-quality version of this image. You can either do it like that, or if you want to remove the watermark, you can open up, for example, you can take a screenshot and just exclude the watermark that's at the bottom, and you're ready to go. So that's how simple and easy it is to get those designs done with Adobe Spark. We are at step 2. Now let me show you the website that will pay you hundreds of dollars for those designs that you created with Adobe Spark. The website is called designcrowd.com, where you will get paid for all those different designs, logo designs, business cards, web designs, flyer design, graphic designs, which you can all create with Adobe Spark in less than 10 minutes. And let me show you this. If I go to this designers category, and let's say, for example, I select graphic designers, you will be able to see people from all over the world making money. You have people from all over the globe making hundreds and thousands of money. For example, select logo designers. You will be able to see that people are also making even more money. There's a lot of money to be made with a designcrowd.com. It's a really good website that pays a decent amount of money for those designs, which you can get done in less than 10 minutes. So if we go over to the job section right here, you can see that you can create all of those designs and get paid for doing that. You can create anything from business cards, down to flyers, posters, postcards, web designs, Facebook designs, YouTube designs, Twitter designs, everything that we saw on the previous websites. Everything which you can get done in less than 10 minutes of work with Adobe Spark. So let's say, for example, you want to focus on flyer designs, you can click on that. And you will be able to see different available jobs. You can submit your design and get paid. You can get paid for one single image that I submit over there for one single design, which I can get done in less than 10 minutes with Adobe Spark. I can get paid for just this project alone, and there will be new jobs coming in all the time, so you will never run out of jobs to complete. Within all those sections, of course, 2 jobs are not a lot, but that's only under the flyer design section. You have different sections, which you can select whatever you want. You can maybe go on to banner, ad designs, app designs, icons, Facebook designs, and YouTube designs. All you have to do is to come over to this website, click join for free. This button is right here. Enter your email address, create a password, and click on. Let's go. Once you sign up, you log in to your brand new account. You can start browsing all of these different jobs, and once you find a suitable one, just click on it, submit your design, and wait to see if you've made money. Now, we are at step 3. How to get paid. I want to explain to you. Once you start making money, just go over to your profile right here. Just click profile settings, and then on the left side, you can select payouts right here. Then you select your payout method. And you can enter your payment details. And that's how you can collect your earnings. And that's it. This is how you can make hundreds of dollars just by designing images. Now if you want to earn even more money, check out the other videos that I've uploaded on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.